Hi guys, today I'm sharing my super easy and quick facial routine with you. I try to do this weekly to make sure my skin gets all the love and all the care it needs. Put your hair out of the way and let's get started. To prep my skin, I'm pressing a clean, hot towel on my facial skin for a minute or so. This is seriously so relaxing. Using a hot towel on your facial skin opens the pores, it softens the skin, and it allows the skin treatment to penetrate the skin with ease. After the hot towel treatment, I'm going to scrub my face, and by doing this, I'm freeing my skin from flakes. I'm removing dead cells, I'm adding glow to my skin, and I'm removing dark patches. And did you know it removes acne scars as well? Not that I have them, but it's good to know. Overall, it improves the texture of my skin and it promotes clear complexion. After scrubbing my face and rinsing it off, I'm using the hot towel again. I seriously can feel the difference in my skin already. Okay, the next step is facial mask. Now the one that I'm using needs to set in for 10 minutes, so it's a quick one. If you're using one that needs more time, lay down, close your eyes, and try to relax. I'm grabbing myself some ginger tea, which is super healthy and extremely relaxing. Do whatever it takes to relax and to enjoy this treatment. After rinsing the mask off, I'm using my favorite cleanser to get rid of any remainings of the mask. You can use facial tonics or whatever you prefer to get rid of any leftovers. Time to choose my skin oil. Facial oils overall, depending on the one you're using, can help to protect your skin, shrink enlarged pores, calm down rashes, and some even banish zits. Yes, please. Massage gently and enjoy doing this. By the way, when muscles on your face tense up, they are more likely to harbor wrinkles. No thank you, which is why they need to be massaged on a regular basis. To hydrate my skin, I am using my current favorite moisturizer. It comes with this adorable little spoon, so I'm not using my finger to get the moisturizer out, as this can encourage bacteria from my hands to get into it. And I really don't want that on my skin. Eye cream, lip moisturizer, and couple of sprays of my Fix Mist to finish this treatment off. I am so glad that I finally shared my facial treatment with you guys. It's so relaxing, so much fun to do. You see improvements right away and you can do this at your own home. I really hope you can benefit from today's tutorial. If you've liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I really hope to see you next time. Bye bye!